Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Today I have a few things that I need to handle, nothing major as far as cleaning, just getting some things done around the house and another Christmas DIY. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, KYM, and I do videos pertaining to home life. So cooking, cleaning, decorating, doing tutorials on how to do things, painting, projects, DIYs, all of that great stuff. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe and join my YouTube family. We're called the Keep Up Crew.
Like I'm forever young, and that's why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way.
My favorite Christmas movie is A Christmas Story, and they have all kinds of little leg lamps in here and cups that you can use pertaining to A Christmas Story. Super, super cute. And you really don't want to forget about those animals around the holidays. They like to dress up too.
I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. Feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here. My winter
I really hope you enjoyed all the Christmas decor that I showed you from Odd Lots. Let me know if they have some of the products in your city as well. It's actually called Big Lots, but it used to be called Odd Lots, so I still call it that. I have finally made it home. I want to go through all of these boxes to see exactly what I want to keep, what I want to give away, what I want to sell, what I want to throw away. That is the goal at the moment. I have a bunch of decor that I used to like and I no longer like it, so not for my house, but for other people is fine. So I'm going to see if I can sell that.
I never look back.
I've been learning that in between seasons, when you're about to decorate or you're almost finished decorating or whatever the case may be, it's a great time to declutter. I really feel like I'm almost to the point where I'm overwhelmed because there's just a lot of stuff that's down, but I had to keep telling myself it always is worse before it actually gets better. And that, my friend, is the reason why I do not necessarily like to declutter and organize. Just, it's not really something that I enjoy. You will have to let me know below in the comments what chore you avoid. Now this part of the organizing, I'm really happy that I did because I always have different types of supplies in different places. But if I could just, narrow it down to like one or two places where I can actually find my supplies, it makes me so happy. So that is exactly what I did. So we're looking a little bit crazy in here, but that's okay. I have all of these organized. They all need to be put away, as well as that one right there. And these are all of the items that I'm selling. Most of you have not even seen some of these items in my house because that was before I started YouTube. I had a whole completely different vibe. I think I was just trying to find myself. I have a thought-provoking quote for you today. Our pain can be our greatest teacher. It leads us to places that we would never go on our own, and sometimes we also wish that we would not have to go through that pain to get wherever we want to get. Something to realize though, in life, pain is just a part of that. Agony, grief, all of that is a part of it, and it just really does help us grow. I can personally tell you from my traumatic experiences that I'm a different person and I have grown tremendously. If you're not following me on TikTok and IG, Instagram, you really should. Let's, be social. I'm on my stories every single day, and I typically post like a reel once a week on Instagram. But I also just announced that I will be having 2 videos per week, except for the week of Thanksgiving and the week of Christmas. I decided that I want to sell these on Facebook Marketplace. I don't want to throw anything away, but if it does not sell within the week, I'm going to give it to Goodwill or ask someone else if they need it in my feed. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are taking the time out to love yourself, to show love to other people, and to just be kind. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Join my YouTube family. We're called the Keep Up Crew. We're just trying to keep up with work-life balance and everything else in between. Also, be sure that you're saying your affirmations because you are enough, you are worthy, and you are needed. So I recently went to Dollar Tree and I bought these little trees. I'm going to try to make some kind of what do you call those things? Garland. Listen, I always forget my words. It's okay. At any rate, I found these at Dollar Tree. I want to make some sort of garland with it. We will see how it turns out. If it doesn't turn out right, it's okay. It was $1.25. It looks like a Charlie Brown tree. I picked these up from Dollar Tree, and if you know anything about me, I am not a gold person at all whatsoever. So I'm gonna spray paint these. I have another one too. You'll have to let me know below in the comments if you are doing DIYs with your family as well, or what it is that you actually do to prepare yourself for the holiday. We have 2 black bells and 1 white bell, so we have to wait for those to dry before we do anything else. Here are some of the items that I will be using for my DIY today. I ended up putting 2 Dollar Tree Christmas trees together, and I'm just gonna make a little swag. Christmas swag, that is. All that needs to be added to both of these are a hefty, beautiful bow. And I just saw one in Odd Lots and didn't pick one up. How about that? Ooh, my husband brought my package in the house and I want to see what it is. Look how great everything is packaged. There's no room for breakage. There's no room for wobble, any of that. So I need to charge this battery. And the battery is very easy. All you have to do is slide this right on there and plug it in. So it lights up when it's charging to let you know exactly how much battery life there is. That's a pretty cool feature. She needs a name, like, I don't know, Cherry, I don't know. This fits into here. The manual has all the information in there. One thing that you just should remember, sorry I have paint all over my hands, I'm doing a DIY. One thing that you should remember is you have to make sure that it's charged prior to using it. That is why I just plugged it in. The way that the battery goes in is really simple. It just hooks right up in there. And here is what the battery looks like. All we have to do is just stick it in there and get it lined up correctly and push it, and then there's a lock sound. So now we're just gonna extend the blower piece right onto there. Now it's completely locked because she twisted it. And if you hear the tornado alarm, I'm sorry, but we are gonna get started blowing. Let me show you what we're working on today. So here is the first area that we are gonna be working on. Just gonna get all of that pushed out of the way. This blower is lightweight and very easy to use. You do turbo, you not only have to click the gas, so to speak, but you also have to click there as well. Pushing onto the turbo button definitely makes it blow way harder and way stronger than what it actually does. If you're interested in something like this, maybe to gift someone for Christmas or a birthday that's coming up, I will leave the information below in the description box. This product is something that I would definitely recommend. Thank you again for watching. Bye guys!